Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about launching a one product store on Shopify, you have come to the right place. Today, I will show you some of the best themes for a single product store that will make your store look professional and increase your sales. Let's jump right in. A one product Shopify store is great if you want to focus on a single product or and create a simple, streamlined experience for your customers. It allows you to showcase your product in the best way possible without distractions. But to do that, you need a clean and minimalist theme that helps convert visitors into buyers. First of all, we have the narrative theme. Go to online store, then click themes. Now you can search here narrative theme. This is one of the best for Shopify themes for a one product store. It's designed it for visual storytelling and works perfectly for businesses that want to highlight the unique features of a single product. This the large hero image on the home page, full screen images, and scrolling features really capture attention. It's perfect for showcasing your product in a story-driven layout. You can also use the customizable product pages to display your products details in a way that keeps your customer focused. Next, we have the debut theme. You can easily highlight your product with large images and a simple, easy to navigate interface. It's come with features like product filtering and quick buy, which are perfect for improving customer experience. If you are willing to invest a little, the booster theme, the booster theme is an excellent premium option. This theme is built specially specifically to optimize conversion rates, which is crucial for a one product store. It's packed it's packed with features like advanced product pages, upsell options, and faster loading times to increase your sales. The clean layout focuses entirely on your product, so customers can easily see what you are selling without distractions. Plus, the mobile responsiveness ensures your store looks great on your device. Another great premium theme is one product. Who is, as the same suggests, suggests is built specially for a one product store. It's slick, simple, and to the point. With one product, your product is the main focus of the site. Has clean design with large product images, customizable product galleries, and options to highlight special offers to or testimonials. The theme also includes mobile optimization, so your store looks great on all devices. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments which theme you like the best, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.